Today, we're making salt and pepper chicken. This crispy, crunchy, peppery chicken recipe is absolutely perfect for lunch or dinner. If you want a meal that is just like fried chicken but with a spicy pepper, then you'll want to try this. It comes with a kick of spice and just tastes amazing. Pull out the air fryer or convection oven and let's get cooking. First, chop one bunch of green onions into about 1-inch pieces. Then slice half a yellow onion. Mince 4 garlic cloves. Slice about half a jalapeno. And then slice a red chili into thin strips. For the dry seasoning, measure a half a teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of white pepper. Cut 4 chicken thighs into about 2-inch pieces. Add the dry seasoning, then 1 egg white, and mix. Add some black pepper if you want. In an air fryer set to 360 degrees Fahrenheit, we'll toss our chicken in cornstarch before spraying it with some oil and letting air fry for about 9 minutes. After 9 minutes, shake the basket and allow to crisp at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 10 minutes. Listen to how crispy those are. Repeat for the rest of the chicken. Heat some oil on a wok set to high heat. Add our garlic. Add our veggies. Then turn the heat off and add our chicken. Gradually add about 2 teaspoons of garlic salt and a 1/4 teaspoon of white pepper, all while tossing to ensure every piece gets that seasoning. It starts to smell amazing right about now. And boom, we have salt and pepper chicken. The flavor from the white pepper, jalapeno, and onions is perfection. This is like popcorn chicken, but with a Chinese seasoning twist. If this video looks yummy, then be sure to like and subscribe to see more, and let me know down in the comments below what your favorite chicken recipe is.